Hello, I'm Macro, and this is my first kind of vlog thingy, and I'm gonna go tomorrow with Shai around our city, and we're gonna try to find a place to record our action footage videos. You can say that, and maybe like special effects. Who knows? Uh, Yeah, Shai is currently making a map, and it's 2 a.m. and we're gonna meet up in the morning, and I hope it's gonna be a great day. So, yeah.
So yeah, more elevators, and basically Macro is running late, so I'm just gonna meet Anker for a while at his home. So yeah, more elevators.
Get out. Get out. No, dude. I'm just kidding, dude. No. Come. I will now show you my pride. This is my normal stuff, like drawing. Old drawings. Yeah.
Anker also.
Yeah.
draws.
I'm cool.
He likes to draw as well.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna hold on. This is his cool weeaboo-ish drawer, I guess.
There's
Yep.
like a lot of video games that.
Okay, so this is like pretty cool, it's really dark, this is his weird shit. It's amazing. Yeah, this is Anker's pride. The third twig that I gave him.
No.
I gave him the third twig.
That's a lot.
So it's almost 7 p.m. because Macro got really late. So I guess we're gonna check out one place, and that's all for today. So yeah.
It was a very fun movie.
Cool. So yeah, Macro went to see a movie.
Everyone dies.
Everyone dies, and we were supposed to go at 3 p.m.
Yes.
and it's almost 7 p.m.
No.
It's okay.
It's raining.
A lot. It's raining a lot. Okay. It's not really. We're gonna go around the place because we couldn't find an entrance. So.
It's all dirty water.
Okay, so it's getting dark. It's still raining, but we're still trying to find another location. It's a little far away, but we're gonna do it anyway. Yeah. Interesting vlogs. Amazing vlogging skills. 10 out of 10 vlogging. Mac was having trouble with the umbrella. Thanks.
We're going to another place. Oh shit. The umbrella. Oh fuck. Why is my light on? It's not supposed to be on. Why? See you there!
Okay, so the thing you just missed was a bus just came by saying Merry Christmas. It's really pretty. The floor is all wet. So is my hair.
So guys, we're here. This is a really big thing. It's really dark. You can't really see anything, but
This is the location. Location. So usually there's no one here. So it's a good place. It's really dark. I'm sorry, you probably can't see it all. But it's a nice place, so we might consider filming something here.
Shai's there. I think you can see him. It's really huge. If you could see the mural that's here, that would be amazing. I do believe that has some lights. Yes, it does. Look at that. It's really nice. I'm gonna try and get a shot of it during the day sometime. And it's just so shy.
Yeah, this day didn't quite go as well as I thought it would. Considering Macro's layback and the weather as well. But sure, it's good. It's all good, I guess. It's a nice place, so yeah. We're gonna go back home now and probably gonna end the vlog here. So hold on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this vlog, this KoineLog. Yeah, like I said, it didn't really go like we thought it would, but it was still fun to make. Probably gonna do a lot more vlogs. But that's not the main focus of this channel. The main focus is going to be like sketches, including comedy sketches, VFX as well. Basically anything that we do as a group. We want to make gameplays. So yeah, that's something for you to look forward to. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
That's a wrap. No, that's a wrap.
For only $1.99! Oh boy, what a great deal!
This video is not sponsored by McDonald's or any other company. Although if you do wish to sponsor us, contact us at coinestudios.social@gmail.com, because you know we love those McWraps and cheeseburgers, not to talk about those McNuggets. Oh boy, are they satantically delicious. We love the flavor of that comes with the chicken ritual to summon slaves deep beneath hell.